Hello guys, welcome everyone. This is Cybrec's Understanding Virtual Private Networks VPN. Let me quickly tell you a little bit about the content of this video series. So Understanding Virtual Private Networks VPN is meant to tell you a little bit about the foundations of VPNs. This course is supposed to give you all the basics that you need to really understand how VPNs operate, what are they used for, and when to use them. In this video series, we will talk about the basics. So I'm going to explain what VPN technology can do for us, how it operates, and when to use it. We will talk about some common VPN deployment scenarios. And then in the second portion, I'm also going to make a brief introduction to more advanced VPN solutions, dynamic multi-point VPN, and also group encrypted transport VPN. So DMVPN and GETVPN, we will take a look at these two from a very high level just to give you some basic understanding of these technologies so you can tell the differences between each other and also how are they different from regular VPNs. Okay, so I hope you guys join me in understanding virtual private networks, Cybrec video series. Thanks.